interesting thing about this is that there are trees that are down that are at more than one stage of decomposition, and it's not necessarily the case that the fresher trees are. In this case, the fresher tree is underneath the more decomposed tree, so that's just sort of a little puzzle area. What might be considered to be low severity fire, because it was enough to char the tree but obviously didn't kill the Douglas fir tree, and it scarred the cedar but it didn't kill it either, and cedar is our most sensitive tree species. So then we look around and we think, oh, are there scars on any of these other trees? Well, that cedar over.
My name is Julia Jones, and I'm a professor in the geography program at Oregon State. I study how forest landscapes in the Pacific Northwest have changed and how they are changing and how that affects the water yield, water quality, landscape disturbances, and how that interacts with climate. Well, Oregon State University is incredibly fortunate to have the H.J. Andrews Experimental Forest and the NSF-funded Long-Term Ecological Research Program.
Howdy. Woo!
This is a physical space on public land with many facilities that we use as a long-term learning or seedbed for discovery, we think of it. And so it's long-term learning for us as researchers, but also for our students at all levels, and also for the public, our communities, and our constituents, and for our lawmakers. Andrews Forest scientists have been intimately involved in local, regional, and national forest policy, and more recently have linked with nature writers, humanists, and artists to convey the links between how we value the beauty and the inspiration of these environments and how that's connected to what we understand about them scientifically.
I'm filming as well. So this actually films, you know.